Imagine earning money while you sleep, sharing products you love, and connecting with like-minded audiences, all possible through affiliate marketing. Whether you're just starting or looking to elevate your game, let's embark on a journey to financial freedom and entrepreneurial success. Welcome to Entrepreneur Express, where we transform your ambitions into reality and explore innovative pathways to your financial freedom. In this video, we'll break down the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing, unlocking the secrets to turning your passion into profit. Picture this: you're sipping coffee on a balcony with an ocean view while checking your earnings from last night's promotions. That's the power of affiliate marketing. A flexible, scalable income stream that works for you 24/7. Here's how it operates. Affiliates sign up for programs, gaining access to unique links for products and services all around the world. Merchants reward affiliates for driving sales or leads to their offerings. Consumers benefit from trusted recommendations, finding products they love. Affiliate marketing is expected to reach over $17 billion globally by 2025, showing how much opportunity exists. There are 4 main affiliate models. 1. Pay-per-sale, PPS. You earn when someone buys through your link. 2. Pay-per-lead, PPL. You get paid when users sign up, subscribe, or fill out forms. 3. Pay-per-click, PPC. You're paid for sending traffic, regardless of sales. 4. Recurring commissions, monthly earnings from subscriptions or SaaS products. Pro tip: use Affiliatizer, Chrome extension, to instantly see if a website has an affiliate program while browsing. This saves hours of research. Choosing your niche is like choosing a story you'd love to tell over and over again. The right niche ensures your enthusiasm never wanes. Ask yourself these questions. 1. What excites me? Your niche should reflect your interests or expertise. Sharing products in areas you're passionate about creates authenticity. Example of top niches: AI tools and solutions, tech and software, health, wellness and fitness, gaming and esports, among many other niches available online. 2. What's in demand? Use tools and forums to gauge trending topics and consumer needs. Tools like Google Trends and keyword research can gauge interest levels and potential profitability. 3. Where can I stand out? Carving out a unique angle in an in-demand niche amplifies your voice. For instance, travel is a popular niche, but specializing in eco-friendly travel or luxury travel gives you a focused audience. Use Answer the Public to find out what people are searching for in your niche. Browse Reddit, Quora, and Facebook groups to discover common problems. Then promote products that solve them. Validate profitability using Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest to check competition levels and keyword demand. Most of these tools are free to use and user-friendly. Pro tip: the 3P rule for niche success: passion plus problem plus profitability. Pick a niche you're passionate about, with an audience that has problems you can solve, and where products exist to monetize. Finding the right program is like picking the right partners in business. Seek out programs that match your niche and provide competitive commissions. Options include: Amazon Associates offers a wide range of products with a well-known brand backing. ClickBank, perfect for digital products with higher commission rates. Specific brands often offer personalized support for niche-specific campaigns. Other excellent affiliate networks: CJ Affiliate, Commission Junction, huge database of brands and products. ShareASale, great for lifestyle, fashion, and home goods niches. Impact, premium network for tech, finance, and SaaS. Rakuten Advertising, perfect for high-end retail products. Pro tip: before joining, check commission rates. Aim for at least 20 to 40% for digital products and 5 to 10% for physical products. Cookie duration: the longer, the better, e.g., 60 to 90 days. Reputation. Read Trustpilot reviews and join Facebook affiliate forums to learn from other affiliates' experiences. Your platform is where your story unfolds and connects with your audience. Consider blogs. The written word is powerful. Share insights and reviews with a personal touch. With the power of AI, it is now easy to create those blogs and generate the content with the right prompt and a click of a button. YouTube. Videos create immediate connections and trust. You can always create a faceless YouTube channel if you feel shy in front of a camera. Social media. Craft engaging posts, live sessions, and stories to maintain daily interactions. Using AI tools like Canva and ChatGPT, creating those posts haven't been easier. For blogs, use ChatGPT for SEO-friendly writing, Jasper AI, Koala Writer, or WriteSonic for a quick AI blog generation. For YouTube, you can use Pictory, Synthesia, InVideo, Canva, CapCut, among other tools to create high-quality video reviews to use for promoting products. For social media, you can use the same tools as YouTube to create content and schedule posts with tools like Buffer, Later, or Hootsuite. Use email marketing to nurture your audience. Platforms like ConvertKit and MailerLite are beginner-friendly. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Here's how to make it impactful. Be informative and entertaining. Authenticity is key. Solve problems. Use the 80-20 content rule. 80% helpful, educational, or entertaining content. 20% promotional content. Try different formats. Product reviews, comparison videos, tutorials, listicles, case studies. Use free tools like Canva for stunning graphics, ChatGPT for content ideation, and Grammarly for perfect grammar. Traffic is the gateway to growth and success in affiliate marketing. Here's how to lead the charge. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the art of making your content discoverable on platforms like Google, YouTube, and Bing. If your blog posts, videos, and landing pages rank higher in search results, you'll get free, recurring traffic for months or even years. Social engagement. While SEO helps you get discovered, social media engagement helps you stay connected with your audience. People buy from brands and creators they trust, and social platforms are the best place to build relationships. Targeted advertising. While SEO and organic social growth take time, paid ads can give your affiliate campaigns an instant traffic boost. The key is to spend smartly and target the right audience. Use Yoast SEO or Rank Math to optimize blogs. Post short-form videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels to go viral faster. Build an email list early. Even 500 engaged subscribers can outperform 10,000 random followers. Leverage Pinterest for passive traffic. It's one of the best platforms for affiliate conversions. To elevate your affiliate success, become a detective of data. Analyze to optimize. Use analytics. /B testing. Feedback loops. Use Google Search Console to identify pages that rank but need boosting. Use Hotjar or Crazy Egg to visualize where users click and where they drop off. Run small, inexpensive ad tests to identify which headlines and creatives convert best. Set quarterly goals and review them monthly to stay on track. And there you have it, your complete guide to affiliate marketing. From idea to impact, remember that success in affiliate marketing combines passion, strategy, and persistence. It's a dynamic world full of potential, waiting for you to make your mark and create a thriving source of income. For more insights, tips, and strategies, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for new content alerts. Thanks for joining us, and happy marketing!